Wow. Just wow.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hello, my darlings. So I made it to Thrift Factory. I'm whispering because it's really, really quiet in here. So I am at the British version of the Goodwill bins, or the London version of the Goodwill bins. And it's pretty overwhelming. As you can see, like, it is piled high in here. These are pants, which I really wish they would do this in the States, where they separate it out by pants, shirts, sweaters, coats. They have shoes along the wall. They have like a kind of bin for bags. So I'm gonna take a look, see if they're giving Goodwill a run for their money. Is there a cafeteria at school? Brave soul. Let's see, do we see any coats? You gonna dig? Oasis size medium. Need to find some capes. That's what we're looking for. Next, size 14. Oh, did find a cape. Found one cape. Okay, that's one. There's been 10 more. F&F. F&F is what? Sainsbury's or Tesco? Let's take that around. Hold on. Let's take this around. Look at all of those coats, guys. Oh my gosh. This is... Trying to find some vintage. It's a small trench. Hold it, let's not lose the cape. Let's bring it with us. This is a small one. This is I wish that they did this in South Florida, where they separated everything out. It would make life so much easier. It's guided. It's like a long coat. It's a skirt. Atmosphere size 8. This is cute. That's cute, huh? Looks like they have like a veil, so it looks thicker than it is. Looks like there's more in here than there is. have some items on racks. I just want vintage, really. Oh, that's nice. Warehouse. Size 14. Oh, that's nice. All right. Do I want anything over here? One of the things that I do like is that they've separated everything out. So let's go and see where to jump in terms of... Oh, hold on. Shorts. Where are the shorts? Miss Selfridge's size 8. They have a lot of new. Hold up. Right. Yeah. Doesn't matter if they're new or not. Let's see. So these are all pants. Is this a vest? I think it is. Hold on. Sort that out in a minute. Let's see. What's this? Atmosphere. I think that's Walmart. Or Asda, I should say. Oh, what's that over there? You know all about leather in here. Hold on. What's that? Jasper Conrad. Isn't that one of the brands we saw at the other thrift store? That's missing. Yeah. Oh, this looks nice. Who's this? This is Just William. That's nice. That feels really good. Oh, what's this? Oh, what's that? Oh, I like that. That's nice. Okay, so that's gonna be more than 10, what do you call it? Kilos. This is 10 pound a kilo, so I'm trying to see. What's that? That's nice. This is basic. Leather. Oh, There's more in here. I'm not going in there. That scares me. Still waving puzzle bag dupe. This is nice. Did we look down here? All right. I don't need any shoes, but I'll go through just to show you guys what they have. What's that? Primark. Do you see anything? Is that cute? No. They have men's like blazers against the wall. It's really quiet, guys. River Island. What's this back here? I don't know who those are. Those are nice. Oh, looks like I can reach. These are Atmosphere. Just Asda, I think. Top Shop platforms. M&S. These are nice. Zara Basic. Some Kate Spade. Topshop again. Topshop is a British store, so I expect to see a lot of Topshop in here. New look. So lots of fast fashion. Those real. I don't even know how to authenticate Nike, so I'm not even going to show those. Just to show you what the shoe situation's looking like. So cute. These indigo. Looks really cute. More men's. Oh, these are nice things. New look again. Do we see anything? I think we're good. Anything else? Made in Italy. They feel really good. So nice. So what's this? New look again. Alright. I think they hung up the long dresses. I think that's what's going on here. A lot of fast fashion. I feel like I thrifted this in the States. I feel like I've sold this. I feel like I've sold that. Yeah, lots of fast fashion here. Let's see, is there anything? Oh, wedding dress. $10 a kilo. 10 pounds, sorry. Got a good wedding dress for 10 pounds. This is I love a good bat wing. Okay, so I didn't see this section. What's this? Oh, they have sunglasses up there. What's that? I need to reach that. I like that color. I like the color on those. I gotta reach those on the other side. Kurt Geiger. Oh. Ooh, size 34. That's a very small foot. Kurt Geiger's a good one to have. Zara Basic. Do we see anything else that we want to see? Maybe those. Alright, so I just saw these Ted Baker. And these are size 41. And then, what are these? 40. These are actually really cool. I don't know who these are. I like the color. I don't need them, but I want them. Might be going with me. What do we think?